the dog doing?
This is gonna take forever to catch this stupid dog. I just wanna know what he's doing.
Now, I'm really mad.
Okay, so where's the dog? Me! You need to do your dishes! Oh, come on, Mom. I did them earlier. Whatever. Do it or you're grounded. Fine. Oh, and while you're at it, you can sweep up the kibble too. Oh my god. Hey, don't use that language around me, or else you're gonna be grounded for your whole summer. Well, guys, if you find him, just tell me what it looks like. I wanna see it. Well, that's that. The dog's the new channel mascot. Well, I'm gonna go back to my house.